This is practice at exercise 8.16 constructor line. The problem reads, add the following constructor to your line class from the preceding exercises. So make sure you guys refer to the previous exercise before doing this. And we will add this method in, and then this method is supposed to construct a new line that contains the given 2 points. Okay, so we do need to put our method in first. So we'll say public line int x1 comma int y1, and then comma int x2 comma int y2, just like that. And then from the preceding exercise, we made some points. We called that P1 and P2. So we'll just say that P1 is equal to new point, and same thing as for our second point, which we'll call P2. So P1 equals new point, and then P2 is another new point, just like that. Okay, and we have a function in Java called setLocation, which is used to set location of points in coordinates. So this is used specifically for coordinates, so xy coordinates, like that. So we can say that P1, and then we can say set location, and then we can say x1 and y1, which we have in our parameters. And then same thing for P2, set location, but instead we can do that for x2 and y2, like that. And yeah, I think set location would be probably the best way to do this. And we'll just submit this, and yep, all our test cases are passed, meaning we did everything correctly. And that's it for this problem, and we'll see you next time.